If you want to make money this 2025, you should watch this video because I made a promise that I'm going to drop one free stock that you can buy. So here am I fulfilling my promise. One hot stock with a huge potential. Chill, go and get a glass of wine, get your book, get your app ready. This is the stock that you will buy and you will come back and tell me thank you. I remember making a similar video on APLD, and I recently saw some people saying they bought it. Some people sent me a message, private mail telling me they bought it and they are grateful. And some actually joined the community because of that move. So let your money hustle for you. In today's video, I'm going to keep my promise by telling you one stock, and watch this video to the end because you would learn everything you need to know about this particular stock. Hi everybody, let's talk about what are the major events that happened this week. So this week we had a lot of earnings reports. Some of our favorite companies reported their earnings this particular week. The beautiful thing is that some of them reported their earnings. Some gave good guidance, some gave weak guidance. If you don't understand what guidance is, join the community. This is where I teach guidance. So leading to some stocks selling off. So imagine stocks you bought at $20 and the stock had gone to $40 and you've already made 100% and the stock is back to $25, giving you another buying opportunity. So this is what we're doing this week, raking in and buying back some of the stocks that made us money. But if you do not understand, you probably would have given up your gain, because I tell people that when you have made profit and you're looking at it in the app, the profit is not fully yours. It is when you take it out and you use it to either solve a problem, buy other stocks, or go into other projects that profit is yours. So of course, APLD hit $15. I gave this stock pick when it was $9.70. This stock hit $15.36. This is you making almost 100% of your money, so more than 50% return. And this has been, it made me so happy. It made me so happy. So join our 100 VIP projects, because in that community we are doing big things. So you will learn how to save, how to grow your money and multiply your money the smart way. There are some stocks that we have picked up now, and probably in the next few months when we start talking about it, you would not even know, because sometimes people are trying to do things by themselves. Sometimes they are trying to wait for the perfect time. They are waiting for some big amount of money. I don't know why, but just get yourself into the community, learn, and then you start making money the smart way. So welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I show you how to make money leveraging the stock market to build wealth. I want you to build an empire of wealth so that your generations can actually enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, for coming back, for learning, for buying the stocks and making some profit. Tell me if you have made any profit from any stocks that I have called out so far, and I will be happy to put your name up in the next video. I would like to celebrate you and give you a personal shout out. So if you want to see more, get into our community and you'll see my stock picks for the month. I give out stock picks every week. And of course, we also teach you how to develop a children's emergency educational fund, dividend empire, and so many other things. Consider joining that community. It will do you good. And don't forget to subscribe. So these are some testimonials and feedback. So this is a newbie who just joined about 10 days ago, and the person says, I'm happy to inform you that I have funded my Bamboo account with $1,000 and I'm ready. She said, I'm ready to grow and to glue to you forever. This, we have given out the first set of stock pick and he has bought. Now this is someone whose picked, look at one of the picks we had. She made $277 and she said, "This keeps giving, coach. Please take profit." That's my response. They will report earnings Tuesday on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, she said, "Coach, I said it again. You are the wealth baddie. Good morning, ma." So this is just a bit of what happens in the community. Let's get into the video, but I'm going to drop a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. The stocks I'm going to call out, the hot stock I'm going to call out, please do your own due diligence and do your research before you invest. But if you want to get our kind of results, consider getting into our community, and I'll be happy to receive you in a special way. So before I mention that stock, I want to talk about SPY. I'm always looking at the SPY because it shows me the total health of the market. And I told my stock community about this engulfing candle and what to expect. But as you can see here, we still haven't closed and covered this. So I'm hoping that next week we'll see how next week will go. We want to know if we're breaking off, whether we're going to have a blow off top to go higher, or whether we'll drop back a little. You can see these are the ways that, okay, these are the last time we dropped, and here we are now. I'm hoping for the best, but whatever the market gives us, we run with it and give it our best and make some money. So the stock pick, the hot stock is QUBT, and we are going into the chart so that you will see all about the stock, and I will show you where you can buy. Follow me, let's do this. It's time to print some money. Don't you think so? Now, this is QUBT. This stock, this is I'm actually on a 1 hour time frame. So look at this. Look at this. So I gave this call out when it was around 14, 15 range. And look at this stock, it ran to 17 and is going through a break and retest process right now. See, it hit this 17. It came back to to this previous resistance, which is now a support, and it held pretty well. So if you want to get into this stock, this is the range you should buy, somewhere around here, 16 and below. You grab this stock and you can ride it all the way up. This stock, let me go to the daily time frame. You would see this stock has potential of going to 27, which is almost 100%. The last time it took off, it ran to 21 and 88 cents. And this is us. This is where we are now. Let me expand it a little bit so you get to see that. So you see this? So let's see how this goes. But if he makes another, if he breaks this and comes a little lower, that would be better safe. So keep an eye on this stock. This is the stock pick that is going to give you a lot of money. You see, when Palantir was around $20, people were talking about it like this one I'm talking about, and nobody knew it was going to go crazy. Now we're at $180. This stock can be that kind of stock, but of course, it never moves in a straight line. It goes up and comes out, but this is one stock that in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, you'll be talking about this stock has done 500%, 1000%. This is that kind of stock. So do your research and take a look at it, and you tell me what you think. So, but let's talk about the stock. It's actually a quantum computing, meaning they are an integrated quantum optics and nanophonetic technology company. Now, quantum computing is like the advanced level of AI. That is where the AI, cybersecurity application, computing. When you look at Google, this is an extension of what Google processing units are doing. This is doing a little more. What you can be done in like 5 minutes can be done through quantum computing in seconds. So this is crazy. So this is more like the future. When you talk of AI, cybersecurity, this is also in that mix. And look at this information. The era of quantum supremacy is just around the corner. These are just some of the reasons why I'm getting into this stock. And of course, this is another news they had. Quantum computing climbs 8% on new government deal. Of course, that's one of the reasons why this week was like their good week, because they actually bagged a new deal from the US Department of Commerce for the development and supply of thin film lithium niobate. So this is why news can actually influence the move of a stock. This is one of the reasons why I'm in love with this particular stock, and this is one of the stocks that we are picking in the community. So this deal alone is one of the things that is driving it, because when you are dealing with government, that means you are in for a good business. So this is one of the news that they had this week that actually helped them to surge and do 8% in a single day. So this is one stock that I am looking at. So let's go back to the chart again and look at it one more time. One thing I need you to know about this stock is that whenever there is a pullback, it gives you an opportunity to make more money. One thing I see people do in the stock market is they buy stocks at the wrong time. It's like buying this stock at $20, and then you're waiting for it to go to $30, and then the stocks goes down to 14. The person who buys at $14, $15 will make more money before getting to 21. And by the time this stock gets to 30, this person is already on 100%. You are still struggling to get 30 to 40%. So the right time matters, the right stock also matters. So this is one stock you need to look at, because pullbacks are always a blessing. They make us make more money. So if you understood this information, drop it in the comment section and tell me I understood it and I'm going to get it, or I'm going to buy it, or I'm not going to buy it, or whatever thing. Just tell me if what I explained makes sense to you, because I'm here to help you to make some money in the stock market. So if you enjoy this type of content, then I'm going to drop more of this type of information so that you can see why you should be in the community. There are so many other stocks that are going to do much more for us in the community, which we are already delving. I actually had a stock pick that we are having to discuss this weekend in the community, in the VIP community. This stock may likely do 1000%. I'm not telling you to join. I'm just telling you that these are some of the things we're doing in the community, and I do hope that you can jump into that community. So this is the stock, and these are the areas where it can likely come back, because see, if the market is going to pull back this month and next month, just know that this stock is also going to pull back, but it may not pull back as much as others, but it's definitely going to have a little pullback. And if you missed it here, if you missed it around 15, you can also wait a little bit and grab this opportunity. But I'm not going to tell you whether you should buy, sell, or do nothing. I'm just telling you that this is one stock that I'm going to be buying and that will do very well. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a like, a thumbs up, drop a comment, share this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It does not take you anything to subscribe. It's just a few seconds click, and voila, the next time I make a video, you will be one of the first, if not the first person that will get the notification that a new video has just dropped. So I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. And we're going to be jumping into a set of series very soon, money series, that you are going to thoroughly enjoy. Of course, you know I bring you good tidings all the time. So did you enjoy today's lesson? Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video at least 100 likes. Share this video. You could be helping someone make some money before December. Dirty December mode activated from free money you made from the stock market. So see you around. And of course, you know I love you. This is Julia, and I'm signing out here.